What you got, bud?
I think it's a big alligator one. He was really strong.
Oh, it's something really strong?
Yeah. Oh, don't go near that.
Yep, keep him over to the right. You're doing great. Yep.
Whoa! Big giant catfish.
Catfish?
Oh, don't let him get around the ladder. Oh,
Holy cow, Jay.
good grief.
Bring him this way. Bring him this way.
Holy crap.
Bring him this way.
Oh my goodness.
Bring him this way, Jay.
Pull the,
Bring
There
him
you go.
towards me, towards me.
Now bring it in. Step back. Step backwards.
Yep, pull it in towards me.
Big catfish.
Daddy needs a bigger
I
net.
do need a bigger net. I got him. Kind of.
He's a big dude.
He's pretty big.
Do we have to put
Different technique.
Oh.
All
Here.
right, ready, Jay? We're gonna pull him up.
Step
on-
that way. Step that way. Ready?
Yeah.
Good grief, Jay. Good job, buddy.
Look at that catfish.
That's a big one.
Dude.
Good job, Jacob.
He's a fat one. Fat. I think that's way big.
Yeah.
He's a lower one.
Was it a good fight?
Oh, look.
Look, Jay.
That's
Tell
a
me,
big
tell me about
catfish.
it. Jacob, tell me about it.
That's a big
Who's
catfish.
Logan?
Mm-hmm.
He's a really big.
I'll have to get some pliers. Hang on a second.
Okay.
Nice catch, Jay.